The Rajasthan High Court on Friday ordered status quo to be maintained in the disqualification case against Sachin Pilot and 18 other dissident Congress MLAs. With this order, the court has barred Speaker C.P. Joshi from acting on July 14 disqualification notices. The order came after the High Court agreed to Pilot's request to make Centre a party to the case. The application was moved by Pilot on the ground that 10th schedule constitutional validity was under challenge and therefore the Union of India was a necessary party. Pilot and 18 other dissident MLAs had challenged a disqualification notice given by the Speaker in the High Court. The notice was given on request of the Congress Chief Whip, who said Pilot and his supporters did not attend the party's CLP meetings.
In a relief to Sachin Pilot-led group of Congress rebel MLAs, the Rajasthan High Court on Friday ordered status quo on the disqualification notices sent by the Speaker. The High Court also said that it was deferring the judgment on the petition filed by 19 rebel legislators till the Supreme Court decides on the questions of law. The status quo order essentially means that the Speaker will not be able to proceed further on the notices under 10th schedule of Constitution to disqualify the dissident MLAs, even if they do not submit their replies to it. The High Court on Friday also allowed the application filed by the petitioners to add Union of India as the respondent to the case. It was on 21st July that the division bench, comprising Chief Justice Indrajit Mohanty and Justice Prakash Gupta, had received the verdict on the petition filed by 19 Congress rebel MLAs led by Sachin Pilot against the disqualification notices sent by the Speaker. While doing so, the bench had requested the Speaker to extend the time for submitting replies to the notices, which was to expire at 5:30 p.m. on 21st July, till the delivery of the pronouncement of the judgment on 24th July. After making such a request, the bench said in the order, "We direct accordingly." Yesterday, the Supreme Court ordered that the judgment pronounced by High Court will be subject to the order passed by the Supreme Court in the petition filed by Speaker against the High Court direction to extend the time for reply. A bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra of Supreme Court observed that the matter required prolonged hearing due to the serious question relating to the democracy and adjourned the hearing to 27 July. It was on 14 July that the Speaker, Dr. C.P. Joshi, served the notices on the 19 dissident MLAs, including Pilot, amid their rebellion against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. They were initially given time till 1 p.m. July 17 to submit the replies. The basis of the notices was the complaint filed by Mahesh Joshi, the Congress party whip, who alleged that rebel MLAs had attracted disqualification under 10th schedule of the Constitution with their anti-party statement and refusal to attend the party meetings. Bureau Report.